guys, today I'm going to make non-toxic paint for kids. A paint that kids can eat. Watch this video till end because I'm going to show you how to store this paint, when will the paint expire, and a word of caution. So let's start. We add salt to the paint because even if the kids eat it, they'll not like the sour taste. The paint will last as long as your flour and food coloring last. One point of caution is that because these paintings are made of flour, it is possible that the box can get attracted. So I would suggest that discard these paintings after you make it. Let the kid play for the time because the process is really important. I share a lot of kids activities on my YouTube channel, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Drop in the comments below if you tried this paint. Share your pictures on #MommyVeeral. Follow me on Instagram to check the daily updates.